Guys, good morning. So, ang i-share ni Shalala for today, guys. This one, guys, is good for release your tension, guys. Okay? So, ganun mo lang siya. Bend mo lang yung paa mo. Tapos, ganun. Okay, ganun. Go. So, 15. Rest. Okay. So, rest saglit ka, guys. So, maganda ito, guys. Masarap sa pakiramdam, guys. Ito sa head or what. So, another one. So, ganun mo lang siya. Ganun. Tapos, iikot. Okay? Sarap sa pakiramdam, guys. So, every guys, every na ginagawa mo, 3 sets agad. 3 set, 15 times. Ganoon. Paulit-ulit, 15, yan siya, guys. Tapos, 3 set. So, ganoon na naman. Sa kabila. Ganoon pa rin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? 15. So, tapos na tayo sa ating first section sa ating release the tension, guys. Okay? Good for exercise.